So this baling wire, I just put the snap ring in a vise, hold it together like this, and then it'll drop into place. Snap ring installed without snap ring pliers. Alright, got some baling wire. I'm going to put this through the snap ring, double strand, just like that, and then twist it. Ideally, that'll hold when I release the pressure, and it did. Then, when I come over here, my snap ring should... I didn't go small enough. Dang it. Squeeze it in a little bit more. Maybe something like that. Undo my twist. And then I can twist it. See if that works. Boom. So then this guy will set down in that groove. And now to take the baling wire off, I can just untwist it. And the snap ring should pop into place. Maybe. Oh, careful. Easy. Easy. Probably could have cut it as well, just with the pair of angle cutters or something. Okay. Yeah, let's just cut it and move on. And then I can push this down the rest of the way into the groove. Pop up. Yep. Boom. Done. If you want to give it a little spin, make sure it's not going to pop out.